right, Sabrina. Our morning routine sets the stage for a day brimming with endless possibilities, and as such mustn't be rushed. After all, how else is one to maintain such an infectious smile? Hold on a moment, aren't we forgetting something? What day is it today?
Ladies and gentlemen, from Denver, Colorado, the Short and Sweet Show. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here she is.